Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the filter on the Grayl ultralight. This is about 4 or 5 years old. They have newer versions, but they're very similar. I think the cap is a little bit different. It has like a pour spout. So this is the cap for this. And so we're going to use the ultrapress filter and purifier. It works with this. And so first thing I did was wash my hands. And if you see on the filter, there's a little pull-out tab. And you can just pull that out and do a twist. So we'll do that. And kind of hold your finger in there and then take it out of the lock. And it is out. Okay? And if you look in there, you can see it kind of, it's dark, the filter element. Okay, and so make sure you don't mix them up. The filter element is, it looks dark in there, but that's the naturally occurring color. I don't know if you can see it. When you look at the new one, it's the same thing. So, it's a good idea to just make sure you know which one is the new one. This has lettering printed in it. The old one doesn't. That might be the same for you, but not necessarily. So basically we're going to take that, spin it around on the bottom. As you see, the tab is there, and when it gets near where it's supposed to be, it will lock in. Right there. Okay. That's locked in. And what I would do is do a few presses of just to get some water through here, and maybe, you know, get any like loose sediment or particles that are from the filter. Just do a couple of fills, press it through, and then you're ready to rock and roll with using it. Of course, it has little quick instructions to tell you exactly what I told you to do. And there you go. Just a quick note, when you're pressing down to filter, and I found that it is way easier to not use your hand because you create a vacuum and it makes it harder to press down, so you want some air to escape as you're pressing down on the water. So what I usually do is put the cap on, keep it on loose, and then stand over it with two hands and press. For the most part, I've used it while camping, and I just get water from the hose spigot and then filter it. So there you go. All right, appreciate a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.